So this is my brand new 2025 Kia plug-in Sorento. So I'm having a problem with it right now. It won't detect my key. Like as I approach to the driver's seat, the light should turn on inside the car when I approach it, but it's not. Nothing is happening here. So I can unlock it with the key. It works, but as I go inside and try to start it, let's see what happens. So here I'm pushing the button. Nothing is happening, and this is what's coming up. It's telling me to push the start button with the key. So I'm going to do that. Here's the start button, here's the key. Here I'm pushing it. Nothing is happening. And there is a car icon blinking on the side there with the key. See? Well, this is what I'm getting. So if anybody is having this problem, can you please let me know in the comments? So somebody's coming to tow my car and bring it to the dealership. We will see what happens after that, if they can fix it or not. They will definitely should be able to fix it. So I will update you guys after I get my car back.